Scusi, volevo parlare. Sono uscito a fotografare.
Thank you very much for inviting us to participate in this conference. We are very honored to be here, Excellencies, colleagues, and the rest of the forum. My name is David Perez. I came from a company called AIDO, which is placed in Valencia, in Spain, and we are partners of this project. Then the purpose of my speech is to try to explain to you what the optical technologies can do for the cultural heritage. If we think in the objectives and results that we have been, are the objectives and results of the ArcheoMed project, you cannot find any specific mention to the optical technologies. That's because the objective and the aim of the project is more focused in the creation of the network, in the creation of richness, based on the archaeological richness, and then the optical technologies could be a very interesting tool for getting it. So my role within the project has been to coordinate activities within AIDO. So my role is more related with project management than the technical implementation. So I have prepared this presentation with my colleagues, and I am going to try to give to you technical details. Maybe in one case it would be necessary if you have any specific doubt to get in contact with my colleagues in the future through email or telephone. Okay. So the purpose is to make a brief introduction of AIDO, and then we are going to take a look about the main used and applicable optical technologies to cultural heritage. And at the end we will make a brief summary of the activities we have carried on. I'm going to show to you some results, and they are available in our website. Okay, AIDO is a technological center which is focused in the development of industrial optics applications to different industrial sectors. We are a private, non-profit company. We started our activity in 2088 with the support of the Valencian government as a tool for the implementation of the industrial policies in our region. So we work together with the local government, with the regional government, with the national government, but we are private. So we receive some funding because of our participation in different projects, but we also have direct incomes coming from our customers. Our aim is to provide add value to our customers and to our partners through customized solutions. You can find suppliers of technology in the market, but the main role of a technological center is to develop customized solutions to specific companies, and in particular to SMEs companies, small and medium enterprises, which are not so able to invest in research and development. We therefore carry out research and development projects, but we also have different other kind of services which are not research and development, like essays, testing or calibration in our laboratories, which are accredited by the national accredited entity. We make training both in company, online, or in our facilities. market, our knowledge. We have our own products in different areas. We also participate in the creation of companies, which can be a result of our specific research and development project. And we also are time after time doing our own patents for protecting our knowledge and taking profit in the future. By also with the cooperation of different partners. As I have said before, we are working in different sectors and markets. We are a transversal technological center, and we are specialized in industrial engineering, automotive sector, equipment manufacturers, aeronautical, agribusiness, packaging and printing, biomedical, health, audiovisual, or ICT. We organize our technology in different lines, which are everyone related with the with the optical technologies. I'm going to give you a brief description of every one of them, but we work in hyperspectral analysis, advanced printing, laser, optical metrology, which is one of the main areas involved in this project, ophthalmic optics, coatings, sensor technology, ICT media, and machine vision, which is also involved in the execution of this project. Hyperspectral analysis is a very advanced way of doing quality and industrial inspection, and it allows to make a control of the production with a non-invasive methodology based on the inspection of the physics and the chemistry of the products. So this one project that could be a good example for understanding what I'm telling. This project, AIDO has developed a technology for doing quality control of the grape involved in the production of wine, only because the vision, so the grape doesn't need to be taken to a laboratory, because using the image, using the vision, we can make an assessment of the chemical components of the grape. So it is the kind of projects we carry out. We carry out because you can find technology for quality control through vision in the market, but we are involved especially in customized solutions. Advanced printing, in the use of advanced printing materials like conductors, semiconductors. We are able to develop intelligent packaging. We develop ink with functional properties, not only for the usual communication purposes, but for other purposes like electricity communication, sensors, or any other kind of use of the ink. In this case, we participate in a project for developing a new generation of flexible polymer cells for the production of solar energy. In this project, we develop ink with conductor properties to be used in a film which is flexible, and it is other way of producing solar energy instead of the usual solid solar cells. Advanced coatings, which is also a kind of advanced printing. We are able to develop specific coatings with specific properties for new applications, introducing specific nanomaterials. In this case, in this project, we have formulated a new water-based paint that includes another combination of latex polymer that improves the adhesion of the paint to be used in the roadways, increasing the security of the cars and the rest of the vehicles. Laser is other of our technological lines, and we have different activities related with laser. One of the more interesting is the additive manufacturing, where laser can be used in the reparation and the maintenance of industrial pieces, like in this project, in which we have cooperated with Airbus in a project for developing a technology for the reparation of the turbines of the airplanes. This technology allows to recover the material which has been deteriorated, and we don't need to eliminate these pieces. So as you can see, there are innovative applications of laser use of ophthalmic optics. We also have a department focusing on the development of solutions for the evolution of the lens, for the assessment of medical applications, for increasing the quality of the medical services related to ophthalmic. Sensor technologies part based is, for instance, this interesting project in which we have developed a machine for the quality control of specific parts of the automotive sector, increasing the